you're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to Insight with D'ara. On this channel, we talk about fashion, we talk about beauty, and we talk about lifestyle. To my old subscribers, you are welcome back. And if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my video when I drop one. So let's get down to business. Today we are talking about steps you need to take to start a ready-to-wear brand. So what is a ready-to-wear? A ready-to-wear are garments that are readily available for pickup at any time. You don't have to start calling your clients for measurements. Come and take measurements. Send me your measurements. These ones, they are all. And the pre-launching stage are the necessary surveys you carry out before launching, before even sewing and before launching your products. The launching stage is the stage whereby you launch out the products you have made. The post-launching is after launching out your products. You can just put out your, after sewing your garments and everything. Then a lot of things you need to do even after you've made all these garments. So we'll be discussing them today. So for you to start a ready-to-wear brand, you need to have a niche. What is a niche? A niche is a specific brand that you want to stick with. It is a specific brand you want to, a specific thing you want to stick with. We have different styles of a ready-to-wear. We have kaftan, we have dresses, we have male dresses, we have children wears, boxers, pajamas, socks, scarf, etc. So you can't sew everything. It's not to provide a solution to a problem. That is why you are starting a ready-to-wear brand. Okay, you've noticed that pregnant women around you, they don't wear something classic, and actually they want to look classic, they want to look beautiful even while they are pregnant. So you can come up with a solution of sewing a dress that will suit perfectly, that will be free enough, not necessarily tight, something that will still make them look classic and beautiful even while they are pregnant. So you've been able to identify a problem and you are providing a solution. Okay, maybe an idea in mind, you can just come up with the idea. Say you've been able to identify a problem. Oh, they can wear something that will still look classic better than what they are wearing now. So you've been able to identify a problem and you provide a solution to it. So for you to start a ready-to-wear brand, you need to look around for a problem. It is not enough for you to just go to the market and buy fabrics then sew. It is not going to be nice. It is not nice. I'm advising you, don't do that. You have to identify a problem, then provide a solution to it. That is when you'll be able to sell. So the last thing I will talk about, because I don't want this video to be long. By the time you've identified this problem, you need to reach out to those people you have in mind. Okay, you have working class ladies in mind, you have pregnant women in mind. You have to reach out to them to be able to know what they would actually like. Okay, I said earlier that maybe you want them to look, a pregnant woman to look classic even while she's pregnant and blah, blah, blah. So you need to be able to research enough. Sending messages across to them randomly. You can send a message to them telling them you want to start a ready-to-wear brand, and you notice that they will actually love what you want to produce, and maybe just list out the fabrics you want to use. Maybe you list out Ankara, chiffon, lace, for example, and you can ask them what will be okay with them, what they will really like. So, and most of them pick chiffon fabric, for instance. It will help you. It has helped you to know, this is the kind of fabric I'm going to use for me to actually sell my products faster. So, I don't want this video to be long. Expect the part 2. So much for watching today. Bye-bye.